So today's the day to get this greenhouse cleaned up and fixed. Let me give you a big shot of it. It used to be my chicken coop. Got a lot of cleaning. I let my chickens in here. I didn't clean out any of my last year's stuff. And so I think it's time to get gardening. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I cleaned out my beds for my little greenhouse thing that I've got here, and Hunter, why are you digging? Get out! You're a bad dog. Get out! Good grief! There's a dang tomato plant. Sorry, I gotta fix it. She's digging over here. So let's see, what I found and what I'm leaving in here is my Tidy Treats cherry tomato plant, which I love. And I have one, a clone that I kept for the winter to have for this year to start another. But it had a lot of, as you can see, dried up tomatoes, and I'm sure there's seeds in there, so I'm leaving them in there and see what I get. I did not dig up the plant because I pulled up my Black Beauty eggplant and the roots are alive, so I put it back in and I trimmed it up, and I'm kind of wondering if it will grow new shoots. I don't know. So I have one here, and there's one over there, and there's one over here, and I just cut off the dead, and I'm just gonna watch it for a little while and see if it actually grows new plants. I got these like really late in the year, so I never expected anything. So maybe if I'm lucky, they'll come up with new shoots and I'll have some eggplant. So the Tidy Treat tomatoes, now I actually had those growing in my windowsill for years, the same plant. I never replanted it or did a clone or anything like that. I just let it go. And last year I took it and transplanted it out here and it went crazy. And I let it die. So like I said earlier, I do have a clone of it that is in the windowsill, and we'll see if I'll transplant it out here and let her grow. We have temperatures in the evenings. We just finally hit, I think it was 40-degree temp last night. Prior to that, we were getting down to the mid to high 20s at night still, so everything was still freezing. So I don't know if it's safe yet for me to put anything out. But what I really love are perennials, like my rhubarb plant here. I truly, truly love perennials, so all I got to do is maintenance around it and keep it watered throughout the year and not worry about having to replant stuff. So I have some Egyptian walking onions that will basically walk your garden area the way it grows. Those are considered perennials. And of course the rhubarb. And I thought my strawberries did not survive. And because I was looking earlier, a couple days ago, I couldn't find any strawberries when I was moving my straw. And I found one there, and there's one right here also, and it's starting to get some green on it. So hopefully when I moved all the straw, it didn't hurt it. I kind of tried to fill around it a little bit here. Let me get to it. I'm lucky today that none of my girls look like they're going to have babies today. So I've got time to get to actually do some gardening or prepping for my gardening. Anyway, I've got 2 strawberries on this side. I had more. My chickens, the wind blew my door open. Oops, excuse me. And my chickens got in here and killed most of my strawberries that I had. I had like 6 on this side and 6 on this side. And they killed most of them. There are 3 on this side. This one are called the sequoia on this one, and I got like 1 strawberry last year when I first planted these in. So if hopefully these are actually get a good start because they're out here already and established. So I can't wait to see these start coming up and growing and producing for me. Hopefully they do well, and I get some start to make more because I would love to have a large strawberry patch. Right now, what is it, May 1st? We have my rhubarb that's come up, and the strawberries are just starting to look like that one is starting to get green. I'm cleaned it up. I'm going to water it in here, get it watered, and I transplanted out my grape plant that was in the house.